Hello, this is Last Garden Standing, and I'm here to bring you a little bit about some basil plants that I have because they are nearing the end of the season. They're becoming a little bit wilted, and I've already cut off, like, say, this one right here. So I just wanted to do a little bit about just, two or three varieties that I have here. One is the red leaf basil. It's beautiful, actually. It has a sweet flavor. It gets anywhere from 18 to 24 inches tall. It adds color to your garden, and if you mix it with veggies such as salads and sauces and put it in vinegar with salt, it makes a great salad dressing. We have this little piccolo here that's right with it in the same pot, actually, right here. It has a spicy flavor, really, more than a sweet. And it's good for Italian dishes such as spaghetti sauce and lasagna. There's a close-up of that one, piccolo. There's the red basil. This one here is the holy basil. And like I said, I've already cut off that one. It is a sweet smelling basil. It's the Greek Orthodox churches uses this basil to prepare holy water. They put pots of the basils set below the church altars, and it's said that it was growing around Christ's tomb and different things like that, so it got the name holy basil. Very sweet, good in salads, anything really. I also put basils in chicken salads, egg dishes. Basil is the best, and it smells wonderful. It smells real good in your garden. I have a sweet basil out there too that's a companion plant to my tomatoes. I think I mentioned that some in my sage video that I did a little while ago. It's very good too, a very good companion plant and an insect repellent. So that's just a few varieties that I have. Basils are annuals though. They don't like the cold or the frost. There's a nice picture of it. So it will die through the winter outside, but you can grow basils as well as other herbs indoors. Don't water very heavily. Water in midday only, not in the evening. And water from the bottom. It doesn't like top watering. It turns yellow. It just doesn't like it. Water from the bottom. Basils have a sweet and spicy flavor. Medical uses are, you can dry it and you can make tea. It is good for digestion, aromatherapy. Put a few drops of essential oil on a sleeve and inhale it, and it's good for mental fatigue. It's good for anxiety, concentration. So there's some medical things for it too. It can be uplifting, energizing as far as metaphysical things, and it's a good antidepressant. So that's all for my little basils. I thought I'd just show you a quick video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I do have other herb videos. I just did a sage one, and I also have a lavender one. So take a look at my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.